Okay. So let's learn today don't care condition. Okay. So don't care condition in KMAP. Don't care condition in KMAP. Okay. Let's take this question. F is given. Let me write like this. F as a function of A, B, and C. It is given as the sum of main terms, right? That is 1, 3, 7, and plus is given like this. This is don't care 0, 5. Okay. So let's learn what is don't care condition here. In digital electronics, let's say for when we are taking this three variable, how many combinations are possible? A, B, and C. How many combinations are possible if you have three variables like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0,
8.
1? Okay, so you have 8 different combinations, right? So I have earlier given some scenario, okay, like some real-time examples. Okay, so where certain set of inputs gives rise to certain output, right? So some random example is if you pass your exam or if you do something, okay, you will be getting something, right? So F we have defined accordingly by taking various examples in earlier classes. Okay, so for certain set of input, if output is defined, let's say F is one here, and one here, and you used to take this mean term, right? You used to take this mean terms and put it in the K map for getting the minimum expression of the output F, right? So sometimes it may happen that certain input condition don't give rise to any output. Okay, certain input conditions don't give rise to any output. Let's say you studied well, okay, and you performed well, you got good marks, you got some prizes, right? But your father didn't give you something, right? So output is like don't care. Okay, so in spite you have given various sort of efforts, the output function is you cannot say positive, you cannot say negative. Okay, so it's a don't care. So if you got some prize in home from your father, so it's a one, you got something. If you get scoldings, okay, because you didn't perform well, that is a zero. But you didn't get appraisal, okay, but you didn't get scolding too, right? So it's a don't care condition. So don't care conditions are usually defined. Let's say this is 100. So here this output doesn't matter to me, right? So we will write it as a cross mark. Okay, small d or cross mark, right? So if it is negative, we will write it 0, right? These set of inputs didn't give rise to any output. Okay, so this question is given that my function f, okay, my function f, which happen to be function of three variables, okay, is equal to sum of mean terms 137 and 05 is don't care, right? 05 is don't care. Let's put this into the key map and let's get the optimized expression for this function. Okay, so for three variable, how we will draw? How many cells will be there? Okay, so you will be having 8 cells as usual. So we'll take here A, we'll take here BC. This is 0, this is 1. Okay, so this is BC combination 00011110, right? So if you write the mean terms here, okay, write the mean terms here. So let me put it in some yellow color. This is 0, isn't it? This is 0, right? This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Okay, this is 4, 5, 6, and 7. These are the main term numbers, isn't it? Now, what is given in question? 1, 3, and 7 you have. Okay, this is 1, 3, and 7. Right. And what else you have? You have don't care at 0 and 5. So at 0, it's don't care. At 5, it's don't care. Right. Now, how to get the minimized expression of f? How to get the minimized expression of f from this k map? Okay. So this k map we have established from the question number 1. What is given? Okay, sum of m is equal to m mean term 137 and don't care 05. Okay, so if this is the case, how to get the minimized expression of f? So always in k map, what we look for? We look for the combinations of ones. Okay, you should find the maximum combination of one, that is either 2 1 2 4 8 16, like that. So it's a 8 variable k map. So highest we can have a combination of 8. If not 8, then try for 4. If not 4, try for 2. Okay, so let's take a different scenario, right? The same structure I am taking here. If we don't consider the don't care conditions, we have a one here, and one here. How we would have made the group? One group would be like this, isn't it? And another group will be like this. Okay, so two groups were possible. And if you take this as a, this is bc. Okay, this is 0 1, this is 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So what will be the answer for the yellow one? So here a is not changing, and what is not changing? This is c. So this
C.
is a complement c. Okay, and what about this? This is
BC, sir.
bc, right? So the sum of product expression will be a complement c plus bc. Now when we have don't care for this, how don't care helps us to minimize? Okay, so let's learn. So in this orange color box for the given question, what we have drawn now, so how can we make a group? At most number of 1. What is possible is I can make a group of 4. Okay, I can make a group of 4. So this don't care will act as 1 in sum of product. It will act as 0 in product of sum. Okay, so this don't care will help to make a larger group. Don't care will help to make a larger group. Okay, so one group only possible, right? Which is a group of 4. So it is covering all the ones, isn't it? It is covering all the ones. So no need to make group of 2 like we have done here. So a group of 4 can be done easily taking the don't care condition. So you will ask the question, why, what about this don't care fellow? Okay, so this is, as this is don't care condition, okay, we can neglect this. No need to form a group like this. Okay, no need to form a group like this, not required, because our all ones are covered, all main terms are covered. Okay, and by taking help of this don't care fellow, we were able to make a larger group here. Okay, so what will be the minimized expression here? The minimized expression is, what is common in this group of 4? A is not common, B is not common,
C.
only C is common. So answer is C. Okay, so answer is C, right? So if you consider the don't care condition, our expression is reducing in a better way, right? So let's take the second question. Okay, let's take one more example and do. Okay, so let's take question 2. It is given f of a function f which is having 4 variables. Okay, so which is having 4 variables, and it is given that this combination of these mean terms 1 3 7 11 15. Okay, 1 3 7 11 15. Okay, and don't care given at 0 2 and 5, right? So it's a four variable stuff. So how many cells we will have in a 4 variable scenario? We will have
16.
16. Okay, we will have 16.
Yes, sir.
So let's draw them. Okay, so you can take
Maybe.
this A B, this is
Maybe.
C. Okay, so 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Similarly 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Okay, now if you write the mean terms, okay, so this is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, okay, 8 9
11.
11 10 12 13
15.
14 14. Okay, right? So what is
Yes.
given here? Mean term 1 3 7. Let's substitute the mean term. Okay, let's substitute the mean term. It's given in 1, then 3, then
7.
7, okay, then
11.
15,
15.
right? And don't care values. What?
0.
0 to 5. Okay,
Yes,
0.
sir.
Sorry, you have to put a don't care here. 0 to
2.
5.
5.
Now, what maximum groups you can make?
Two, sir. Horizontal and vertical.
Total
And
4 one group and 1 group.
Okay, so see here, I'm making the group. Okay, so this is evident that we will have this group. Okay, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This will lead to what? C, D, isn't it? Right. So you can make another group here. Okay, we can make another group here. So what it will lead to? A complement, B complement. Okay, A complement, B complement. Right. So the function can be written as A complement, B complement, or with CD. Okay. So let's draw the figure again. Okay. Let me draw it again. Okay, this is AB, this is CD, right? 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Okay. So we had one here, like one, 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 and we had don't care here in these places. So we can make this group, and someone will say, I will make a group here. This goes. Okay, this is also correct, right? So one group, what will be answer for this? What is common here? A complement is common and D is common. Okay, and for this, what is common? This is CD. So the answer will be, both are correct answers. Okay. So you have to take the group of maximum ones. Okay. And if at all any don't care is there, do consider that to form a larger group always. Okay. Do consider that to make a larger group always. Okay. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, sir.
So let's take another example. Okay. So
Sir, excuse me, sir.
yes, tell me.
Sir, I'm having a doubt in the above question, sir.
Tell
Above
me.
problem.
Ask.
Sir, once can you move up, sir? Scroll up, sir.
Yes.
So the first part of the solution, sir.
Tell.
We can't combine here, sir. 1, 3, 5, and 7, sir.
1, 3, 5, 7 combination is done here, right? A bar
Sir,
B. You are,
in this table only, sir. We can't combine this 1, 3, 5, 7, sir. We have to draw a
yes.
separate table again.
No. I'm telling that the first approach is also correct. The second approach is also correct. Okay.
Okay.
So some students will do the first approach. Okay. Some will follow the second approach. Any approach you follow, always ensure that you have group of maximum number of ones. Whenever you are forming group, okay. So you are forming by considering maximum number of ones wherever possible. Okay. So here two possibilities are there. Okay. We can see, right? So either you can go for the first row here. Okay. Or else you can go for this square here, right? All are group of 4 only, right? So both are possible. So either you can do that way or this way. Both answers are valid.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But when don't cares are remaining, don't make group of don't cares. Okay. Don't make group of don't cares. It doesn't
Yes,
matter
sir.
because it is don't care,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
So let's take another example. Question 3. Okay. So we'll see 7-segment display. Okay. 7-segment display. So 7-segment display means you can see digital watches you have seen, right? Or in calculator. Just a minute. Okay. Right? This sort of thing you might have seen, isn't it? So this is called as a 7-segment display device, right? So by taking these all bars, what you see, we can make the values. Let's say I'm interested to make 1. Okay, so these 2 I will blow. Okay, so I'll get a 1, isn't it? Similarly, how you can make 2?
S shape type, sir. Top right.
Okay, just 2. Okay, so 3, right? 4. Then 5, 6. Okay, 7. Then 8. Then 9. Okay, so 9 different digits we can write by taking this 7-segment display. Okay, so let me name these bars. Okay, so I'm writing it as small a. Okay, this is B, C, D. Okay, E, F, G. Right. So how many bars are there? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. 7 bars are there. Okay. So how many digits are possible? 9 digits are possible. So remember, and I have left one more. Okay. So we can write 0 to. Okay. Let me write it here. 0 also is possible. Okay. This is a 0. So 10 digits are possible. 10 digits are possible. If 10 digits are there, we call that number system as decimal number system, isn't it? Decimal number system. We have 10 digits, 0 to 9. Okay, 0 to 9. I should have written the 0 here, right? So 0 to 9. So if you remember, we have studied one code called as binary coded decimal. Okay, BCD code or 8421 code, isn't it? So 8421 code. So BCD code means what? This 0 to 9. Okay. In order to represent 0 to 9, how many binary bits are required? How many binary bits are required? In order to represent 0 to 9, 10 digits, how many binary bits are required? Who will answer?
3, sir.
3.
No, 4, 4.
4 binary bits are required. Okay. So 0000. Okay. You can have 0001, isn't it? This is 4. Next, you can have 0, 0100, okay, 0101, 0110, 0111. Okay, so these are 8, and 8 more you can have. Okay, 8 more you can have. So you'll have 10, 00, 1001, 10, 11. Okay, similarly we'll have 1100, 1101, 1111. Okay, so what is the equivalent value of this? The equivalent value of 40. This is 0. Okay, this is 1. This is 2. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. So this is 9. Okay, but these values, okay, these set of binary combinations, so you can see 4 binary bits are required to construct BCD code. Okay, so BCD code means binary coded decimals. Okay, so these are the decimal numbers. Okay, so you have, these are the decimal digits, sorry, these are the decimal digits. Now next, what you will get? You will get 10. Okay, so 10 is not a decimal digit. Okay, it's a decimal number which is uh, two decimal digits are present, 1 and 0, right? So what will happen, this 1 0 10 11 12, okay, up to 15, what you have 4 ones, these all are don't care, right? They don't give rise to anything in BCD code, right? In BCD code these values are don't care, means these input combinations results in nothing, no decimal digits. Okay, what we are studying is binary coded decimal, right? Binary coded decimal. So decimal digits are from 0 to 9, 10 digits are there, 0 to 9. So binary coded decimal, in order to represent 0 to 9, in order to represent 0 to 9, 4 binary bits are sufficient. Okay, but using 4 binary bits we can have 16 combinations, right? But out of those 16 combinations, last 6 combinations are useless for us in BCD representation. So we kept a don't care condition against them. So whenever we make a logical device which will take 4 inputs into account and produce a valid binary coded decimal, okay, produce a valid binary coded decimal. So there input set of conditions like this: a is 1, b is 0, okay, c is 1, d is 0, produce nothing, or whatever it produce, it is of no use to us, okay, in binary coded decimal. So these are the don't care things. Now let's move to our problem of 7 segment display, right? 7 segment display. See here what is given in the question. Let me write the question here. Okay, let me write the question here. So question is given: okay, in a 7 segment display, so what is 7 segment display I have shown, right? In a 7 segment display, each of okay, each of the 7 segments are activated for various digits, okay, for various digits. So how many digits are possible? 10 digits are possible, 0 to 9. Okay, I have represented them. So since each digit can be represented since each digit can be represented by a binary coded decimal, BCD, okay, binary coded decimal code, right? Derive an SOP expression, okay, sum of product expression for segment small a, okay, for segment small a using the variables ABCD, okay, using the variables writing here ABCD, Okay, and minimize the expression using K-map. Okay, using K-map. This is given, right? All of you go through the question once. So it is given that in a 7-segment display, okay, each of the 7 segments are activated, right, for various digits. Since each digit can be represented by a BCD code, right, derive an SOP, sum of product expression, for segment A using the variables, okay, A, B, C, and D, right? A, B, C, and D. So what we'll do here, let's see. All of you have gone through the question. It is telling that since each digit can be represented, okay, since each digit can be represented by a BCD code. What is BCD code? I have told you, binary coded decimal are used to represent decimal digits. Okay, decimal digits means 0 to 9. So to represent 0 to 9, how many binary bits are required? 4 binary bits are required. They are A, B, C, D we have taken, right? So derive an sum of product expression for segment A, okay, for segment A, small a, using the variables A, B, C, D and minimize the expression. So in order to do that, let's go to this figure. Okay, yes, this figure, all of you can see. Okay, so segment A means which one? Let me take this color. Okay, segment A is this, right, this one. So in which decimal digits segment A is present? In 1 is it present? Segment A is not present. Okay, in 2 it is present, in 3 it is present, in 4 not present, in 5 it is there, in 6 it is there, 7 it is there, 8 it is there, 9 and 0. Okay, so how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 expressions are there, right? So 0, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, except 1 and 4, all are there. Now let's move to this table, the BCD table. Okay, so let's move to this BCD table and let's write here. Okay, so for 0 it is available, so what we can write in the SOP expression? A complement, B complement, C complement, D complement. In 1 it's not there, right, not required. In 2, in 2 A is there, small a is
It is
there.
there, sir. Yeah.
Okay, so what we will write? This is
A complement, B complement, C, D complement.
in 3 also it is there. This is
A complement, B complement, C, D.
CD. In
A
4 it's not there.
complement,
Not there, right? In 5 small a is there. A complement, B, C complement, D. In 6
A complement,
A complement.
B, C, D complement.
In 7 also it is there. A
A
complement,
complement,
C,
B,
D.
C, D.
Okay, 8.
Ayyo.
Right, and 9 also it is there. So A, B complement, C complement, D, right? So in 1 and 4 it's not there. Okay, so we don't have here. What about other values of ABCD, other combinations of ABCD? Okay, what about other combinations of ABCD which we do have at the bottom, right? So these are don't care. Okay, so these are don't care. Okay, so you will have don't care here. don't care here. Okay, these all are don't care up to 15, right? Up to 15. So these set of ABCD gives rise to nothing, okay, which is of no use to us, isn't it? Which is of no use to us. So let's put it in K-map or put the expression for small a. Okay, so let's put the expression for small a. We will have f is equal to I'm writing here. So we will have f is equal to a complement, b complement, c complement, d complement. Okay, I'm writing the SOP, sum of product. So first term is over. Second term is a complement, b complement, c d complement. Just a minute. Right, c d complement. Okay, then what do you have? A complement, b complement,
B complement CD.
c. Then next term, let me write here,
A complement
b.
B C complement D
Hmm,
plus A
c.
complement B C D complement
Hmm,
plus A complement B C D
hmm,
plus A B complement C complement D complement
hmm.
plus A B complement C complement D.
Okay, right.
Yes,
So okay, so if we write it in terms of mean term, right? In terms of mean terms, what you will get? In zero you have one, you don't have two, three, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, plus what are don't care? 10,
10, 11,
11.
12, 13, 14, 15.
Hmm. These are the don't cares. Okay, six values are don't. So if we put this in the K map, okay, what we'll get? If you
Sir,
take this
also one.
one, one is negative, right? We
Okay,
cannot
okay.
put it in don't care.
All
Okay,
right, all right. All right.
one value matters.
Yeah.
The input set of combinations which gives rise to one. I mean, a value 0, okay, b
Okay.
value 0, c value 0, d value 1. If
Okay,
this
okay.
is the set of combination, we'll get 1, right?
All right.
So it matters to us. But this set of input combination doesn't matter to us, okay, which is there for 10, 11, 12 up to 15, right? So this
Yeah.
1 and 4 matters to us. And it's a negative here. Okay, we don't have, this is 0, okay, right? So let's put this in K map in order to reduce it. Okay, so let me draw the K map here. One, two, three, four. So how many cells will be there? 16 cells will be there. Okay, this is A, B, C, D. So as usual, you can write this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so let me write the mean terms. Okay, so this is 0, 1, this is 2, this is 3, so 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, so you can say the mean terms which are 1. Which mean terms will be 1?
0.
Hmm.
Next 2, 3, 5.
So 0. Okay, 2,
2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
8, 9. Okay, then
Yes,
what
sir.
are don't care? Okay, don't care conditions.
10, 11.
10 is don't care, 11 is don't care, 12 is don't care, 13, 14, 15, 11 also. Okay, so this is given, right? So from the question we have concluded that these mean terms output matters to us, right? This set of ABCD which gives rise to the valid decimal digits, okay, matters
GD.
to us. For small a, we are finding for small a. Okay, so now you can make a group. Tell me what group we can make. Maximum group. Group of 16 possible? No. Okay, group of 8 possible? Group of 8 possible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
So group of 8 is possible. So let me take group of 8. Okay, this group of 8 I can take. Then next what you can take? Next
3,
group.
2, sir. 3, 2, 7, 6. Okay, okay.
Okay, right?
Even 5-7, sir.
3, 1. In 1 we don't have anything.
Hmm.
Okay, 3, 2, 6, 7. I have 3, 2, 6, 7, 15, 14.
Sir,
Okay,
5, 7, 13, 15.
5, 7, 13, 15 also we can take. Okay,
Hmm.
so let's take another group. Okay, then
0 is 1, 2.
why? Always try to form maximum set of ones. Okay, maximum set of ones. Who will say what will be the next group?
Corners.
Okay, right? So all things are covered, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Right. So let's get the answer for this. Okay. So for the orange color one, what we can write?
She
What is
complement.
common there in the orange color
Yeah.
one?
Yeah.
A. This one. This is only
C common, sir.
okay. Then for this, what will you have?
A.
A. Okay. For the four corners,
B bar and D bar.
that is a set of four. Okay. You will have two variables. One is B complement and another is D complement. Okay. Right. And for the yellow one,
BD.
B is common and D is common. Okay, so this is the reduced expression for small a. Okay, where the small a is used. Okay, all of you understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. So like this questions will come. Okay, I will give similar questions for see other B, C, D, and E, right? In this quiz 3, okay, which is scheduled on Saturday. Okay, so practice yourself. This video I'm uploading in our Google Classroom. All Unit 3 videos are uploaded, right? You can go through that. Okay, so we'll stop here. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.